Hey everybody, it's Think Monique, and remember yesterday I put out a video about coming back after heavy rain to check to see if there's water in the basement for a property that you may have under contract? Well, this is what my client and I are finding. Property has a lot of water in the basement from the heavy rains from the last few days. And as a buyer, you have a couple of things that you could do. You could obviously back out of the contract or go back and renegotiate with the seller to have them either correct the problem or maybe get a better price, because you are going to have to do some repairs when you move into this home.